Last month, Jami Ray flew to California to teach a class at my shop in Solana Beach, and then we went to Kobe's swap meet for a flea market flip-off. We each had 40 minutes and $40 to find bargains that we could remake and sell for profit. I made the cart and Jami created this beautiful rocker. Stay tuned to watch the entire adventure and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage to watch the other half of this challenge. The link is below. Bought a bunch of stuff so I could cherry pick from it because I need stuff for the shop.
She cheated. I only spent $40.
But you know what? She has Zeb all the time.
She had 2 people helping her. I had to haul all the stuff myself.
No, Bobby helped you. Remember?
Little bit.
Kobe's swap meet happens every weekend in San Diego. It's filled with all kinds of interesting things, and you can find furniture at yard sale prices.
I'm happy to be here. We're going to have so much fun. It's going to be a party, right, Debbie?
Yes. Before heading to Kobe's, Jami taught a class at my shop. We shared tips on flipping and painting furniture. If you would like to learn with us, we both offer membership groups for just $5 a month. The links are below.
We want to talk about flea markets, thrift stores, and then Debbie's going to help, right?
Yes, I'm going to be your Zeb today.
You have way too much hair to be Zeb.
People came to Jami's workshop from all over. We painted and layered with DIY paint, and Jami shared how she and Zeb built a career using their creativity through their YouTube channel.
Okay, we're done. Makes the most money off their
whoever makes the most
investment.
money. $40, 40 minutes. We're gonna see what we can find.
I'm starting to lose my mind.
The first thing that caught my eye was a blue metal cart. It looked like a 1970s media cart for an overhead projector that we had back in middle school. They were asking $15 for it, but I got it for $10. So I got this cool old metal cart. He was asking $20 and I got it for $15. It's already a beautiful color, but I think I can maybe put an IOD transfer on it, or paint it, add some molds, I don't know. I forgot to tell Jami that vendors will hold your items after you pay for them.
Thanks for your help, Bobby.
We're supposed to leave them there and then we pick them up later.
They do that?
Yeah, they will.
Debbie said it was sketch.
It's hit and miss with Kobe's, but this time I found so many items for my shop that I spent a lot more than $40. This is just super cute, and then this could be cute with succulents in it. I'm getting it all for $30. This is Anna.
Hi, Anna.
Hi. And then I got this cool thing. It was $20, but I got them both for $30. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy what I need, and then I'll cherry pick out of it $40 worth for the challenge. That's a pretty good strategy, don't you think?
Might be a little cheating.
We said there weren't really any rules. I don't know what Jami's doing. You got to do what you got to do.
She's lugging around rocking chairs.
This is my favorite vendor at Kobe Swap Meet. This is Khalif King on Instagram, and he's got this cool industrial table. He's asking $40 for it, and I also love this. Question is, how much for everything, Khalif?
You tell me how much you want to pay for the package.
I would like to pay $15 for the chair, so we're going to do it all for $100. He's got great taste. He has a really good eye, and his prices are reasonable. You can flip them and turn them into profit.
I've been through this a million times. Now I'm starting to lose my mind.
When shopping for bargains, it's always best to make a pile. If you're buying several items, vendors will often come down a little on the price. Don't ask for too much. It's better to build a good relationship with the vendor and become a repeat customer. We're back at the shop. We got so much good stuff, Jami and I. Come over here, Jami. She doesn't want to be on the camera. She's tired. We went to Orange Theory this morning and we had a workout. She fell off the treadmill. I can cut that part out. She didn't fall off the treadmill.
Oh, I walked backwards off the treadmill. You're gonna have to, I'm taller than you, so you're gonna have to put that, like.
We each have our things that we bought. We have 2 hours to DIY it. It's gonna be for sale here in my shop and then we're gonna see who can make the most money.
You like this stuff and you live close,
Come
buy it.
support, because this is a competition. This chair right here was $8. The cart is $10. This was $5. Screen doors right here, $10. So I think that adds up to $38. I'm not sure, I don't have a calculator.
40-40 flip.
It's called the 40-40 flip. $40, 40 minutes, an even playing field now because Zeb is not here. So we're gonna see what Jamie can
not
really
even.
do. It's totally
You know
even.
what people buy here. I don't know what people buy here. I'm not a California person. I'm a Utah girl.
She's been with me for the last 4 days. She taught a class here. She knows. She's kind of playing a little bit loopy right now.
I got this basket. It was $3. This
The sirens.
Urn.
We better wait for the sirens to go away. Okay, you can talk now.
So this was $2. It's a sterling silver urn from Pottery Barn. This was $5. Jewelry holder. Yeah, there. Yeah,
cute.
It was $10. Giant frame.
How much
It was
it?
$10.
What are you gonna do with your stuff?
I can't tell you. You have copied me.
All right.
Just watch me now. Just watch me. Just watch me now. Just watch me. Just watch me now. Just watch me. Just watch me now. Just watch me.
This chair had a cloth seat, so I used the paint like a dye, watering it down with a spray bottle, working the pigment into the fabric, and then I sealed with a heat gun before applying the transfer. IOD furniture transfers can be cut up into pieces and rubbed onto your surface like I'm doing here.
I believe I'm a man with a heart that's a little offbeat.
You can use them right out of the package, but I like to cut them up and fit them back together like a puzzle. I think it looks more organic this way. Jamie, on the other hand, just takes them out and puts them on. Not that there's anything wrong with that.
Prophets surrounding me, so I see.
The cart was already a beautiful emerald green. I wanted to keep the color but freshen it up because the pigments in DIY paint are so rich and full of depth that even repainting in the exact same color makes a dramatic difference. So I mixed a few drops of Queen Bee into Mermaid Tail for a perfect color match. Then I cut up more of the transfer and applied it to all 3 levels of the cart, so it looked like the vines were climbing up the surface.
I believe every day I'm a burden and I gotta behave. 'Cause your love is a sermon that I gotta start learning by the end of the day.
The last step is to apply a sealer. Our Big Top clear sealer is perfect for this. If you apply a top coat with heavy-duty chemicals like a shellac, you can harm the transfer and it could peel up. So read your label first.
You gotta love her like a religion. You gotta show.
Okay, that's not gonna come apart. Well, I'm opening up the new stapler because this was the screen that was on these screen doors that Debbie bought. Chicken wire. We're gonna staple it down, boom, boom, boom. It takes 2 people to do it, and Debbie just walked away, as she usually does. She gets bored easily.
I got new eyelashes yesterday.
What'd they do with your old ones?
And you didn't even notice.
I was just gonna say how nice your eyelashes look.
I painted the screen doors that I got for $10 with black velvet. Bobby replaced the screen with chicken wire and tightened up the areas that were wobbly.
Not sure there really is a Bobby. I've heard people say it doesn't even exist.
So Debbie's just making up a friend like Mr. Snuffleupagus?
Pretty much, which means she's crazy. Yeah, that would make Debbie a little, you know.
She doesn't have any friends. She's got to make up some.
I don't know what Bobby thinks about that.
Jamie and and I finished our projects, the cart already sold for $120. Everything is available at my store in Solana Beach.
Just watch me now. Just watch me. Just watch me now. Just watch me. Just watch me now. Just watch me. Just watch me now. Just watch me.
We're gonna have a challenge coming up.
That's right.
If you do this challenge, we'll put the hashtag below for the 40/40 flip challenge, and we are calling out the IOD sisters. We want them to
and Sally, you're it. I had so much fun with Jamie. It was like going back into middle school with your best friend and having a slumber party.
You even pulled my pigtails.
Oh, she's so stinking cute. Even though this was a competition, she helped me with some things that I got stuck on.
And you helped me figure out how to like plant succulents.
The little cart that I did back there, I was gonna put a really industrial outdoor sealer on it, and Jamie stopped me and she said, don't do that because that will peel up the transfer. So you wanna use something gentle like Big Top or wax.
Clear wax. Yeah.
Even though it's a competition, it was a friendly competition. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to
Jami Ray Vintage
and Debbie's Design Diary. If you haven't already, ring the notification bell. And you want to dance them out?
Let's dance them out. Okay. Oh, also, if you want to buy this stuff, come to Debbie's shop in Solana Beach. The address is below. We have 30 days to sell it.
We got to show off the stuff.
Okay, here's the stuff. And the stuff.
I found my shelter from the storm.
Find DIY paint in your area or to sell DIY paint in your store, click the link below. Thanks for watching.
I'm so fresh, I thank the Lord.